Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aksa Zafar. Today I will guide you through a complete roadmap to become a prompt engineer. This guide will help you get started and improve your skills step by step. So let's get started. So what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering involves crafting clear instructions known as prompts for AI models like ChatGPT. This skill helps you communicate effectively with AI. Similar to working with a very smart assistant, the clearer your prompts, the better the AI responses. It's an increasingly valuable skill in many fields. Prompt engineering is important because it allows you to use AI tools effectively. It helps with tasks such as writing, answering questions, or analyzing data. Many industries, including marketing, technology, and education, need these skills. Learning prompt engineering can lead to exciting job opportunities. The first step is learn the basics of AI. Start by learning the basics of artificial intelligence, understand natural language processing, and how models like GPT-3 or GPT-4 work. You don't need to be an expert, but having a basic understanding will help you create better prompts. Free courses on Coursera and beginner videos on YouTube are great places to start. Next, explore different AI tools such as OpenAI's GPT or Hugging Face. Try out these tools and write simple prompts to see how they respond. This hands-on practice will help you understand how different AI tools work and how to use them effectively. Okay, now it's time to start writing prompts. Begin writing your own prompts. Start with tasks like summarize this new article, explain machine learning in simple terms. Make your prompts specific and clear. Experiment with different styles and see what works best. Providing context is crucial. Include relevant background information in your prompts. For instance, when asking for a product description, mention the product's feature, the target audience, and the desired tone. More context leads to better AI responses. Improve your skills by learning few shot learning, where you provide examples for the AI to follow, and zero shot learning, where you describe the task without examples. Practice these techniques to see which works best in different situations. Regularly check how well your prompts are working. Are the AI's responses accurate and relevant? Use criteria like clarity, accuracy, and relevance to evaluate and refine your prompts. Once you are comfortable, try advanced techniques such as linking multiple prompts or using different AI models to handle complex problems. These methods can help you tackle more challenging tasks and achieve better results. Now it's time to apply your skills to real-world projects. Create AI-powered chatbots, content tools, or virtual assistant. Practical experience help you learn faster, join hackathons, or contribute to open source projects for more practice. AI technology evolves quickly, so stay informed by reading the latest news, research papers, and updates about AI tools. Follow AI communities and join discussions on platforms like Reddit, GitHub, or LinkedIn. At this step, you need to create a portfolio to showcase your prompt engineering projects. You can use GitHub, a personal blog, or LinkedIn. A strong portfolio demonstrates your skills to potential employers or clients. Avoid these common mistakes, such as being vague in your prompts, providing too much information at once, and not giving enough context. Learning from these errors will help you improve more quickly. If you want to learn prompt engineering, I recommend these courses. Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT, which is good for beginners, ChatGPT Masterclass for more advanced learning, and Getting Started with Generative AI API Specialization if you are interested in exploring AI tools. You can find the links in the description. Go check them out. Prompt engineering offers various career paths such as AI specialist, data scientist, AI consultant. Explore these roles to find one that fits your interest and skills. And that's it for today. This guide has covered the key steps to becoming a prompt engineer. Just keep practicing, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things and improve your skills. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.